What's up, a busy FPV here, and today I'm going to talk about backpacks. So recently I ordered this backpack off of Banggood. It cost me somewhere around $15 with like $5 shipping. So I got this backpack because I was previously using some old North Face backpack and I wanted something that I could efficiently carry my stuff around with. So it has a lot of space to strap quads to on the outside. So I just showed you right here. You have one clip. And then on the sides, all these battery straps and these little loops could strap more quads to. And on the front, you could probably fit one more right here. And there's also a waist strap, and you could use that to help get it on there. Then inside, we have, right on the outside, we have, I have my tools. So I have a prop tool, a screwdriver, and another prop tool. I'll probably put some more things in there soon when I'm gonna go out flying. And then you have more straps on the outside of this pouch. Inside here, I like to keep some props. I have all my butter cutters in there. Then in this next pocket on the outside, I have two things. I have my tiny whoop, can't go anywhere without this. I have my lipos, so I can fit just about 10 lipos easily in here. These just two of my packs, the rest are downstairs in my basement. These are China Hobbyline 1500 4S 100C. Then next we have, there's also a little bit more space in here. There's a little pouch, some mesh pouches right here. Then next, the biggest area is right here, which is where I keep the rest of my stuff. This bag unzips all the way. You have a pocket right here. You could probably put your phone in there when you're out flying. And then you also have another large mesh pouch here. You could probably fit some more props if they're thin enough. And what's surprising is this bag fits just perfectly inside here. This is a Turnigy transmitter case with FPV goggle storage. So I have my Taranis QX7 inside here. I have my goggles, so these are the Fat Shark Dominator V3s with the Furious module. I did a review on these in my last video, so you can go check that out. Nothing really else in here. There's some storage in these two sides. Usually I keep my lanyard, my transmitter up in here, and then on this side we have some more Fat Shark batteries and some cleaning cloths for my Fat Sharks. And that's pretty much all you could fit in this bag, but the cons about this is you can't really carry anything else like chargers, or you can't carry large amounts of props or a lot of batteries, so you'd have to carry those externally. I know I want to get some other backpacks like the Strix Tactical Flight Pack I've seen, or the Think Tank Heli Pack, or Think Tank Airport Heli Pack. Looks really nice. A lot of space in those. But this is good for small excursions, going out quickly for a quick flying session. It serves me well. That's just about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.